Following the havoc wreaked by cyclone remal in northeastern states like Assam, Tripura, Manipur, Meghalaya and Mizoram, Home Minister Amit Shah expressed deep concern for affected regions. In a tweet, he stated, deeply concerned about the natural disasters triggered by cyclone remal in Assam, Tripura, Manipur, Meghalaya and Mizoram. Also briefed PM Narendra Modi ji on the situation, who expressed solidarity with those affected. He further added, spoke to respective state chief ministers, took stock of the situation and assured them of all possible help, Saha further states. Our thoughts are with those who have lost their loved ones and prayers with those injured for a speedy recovery. The situation is being closely monitored and authorities are providing all possible assistance to the affected. In response to Home Minister Amit Shah's assurance, Chief Minister N.Biren Singh expressed gratitude, tweeting, "My heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji for the timely assistance and support provided to the people of Manipur." The NDRF HQ team dispatched by the central government and assistance from the Central Security Forces have been instrumental in the ongoing rescue missions in the flood-affected areas of Manipur following the significant impact of cyclone remal on the region.